In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size in your Gmail inbox. This can be a useful way to customize your view, making it easier to read your emails without straining your eyes. If you often find yourself squinting to see your messages, adjusting your font size could greatly improve your experience. Now, let's dive into the steps. First, let's head to the Gmail homepage. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to gmail.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your login credentials to access your inbox. Finding the settings that you'll need requires getting to the upper right corner of your Gmail window. Look for the gear icon. That's your settings menu. Go ahead and click on that. When you click the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. You want to select See All Settings. This will take you to the full settings page where we can start customizing your interface. Once you're in the settings section, stay focused on the General tab. It should be the default tab you land on. Scroll down this page until you find the Default Text Style section. This is where you can make changes to the appearance of your emails, including the font size. Here, you'll see options to select the font style, font size, and font color. Click on the font size drop-down menu. You can choose from small, normal, large, and huge. Make sure to select the size that feels most comfortable for your reading preference. It might be beneficial to experiment a bit to see what size suits you best. After selecting your desired font size, it's important to remember to save your changes. Otherwise, the adjustments won't take effect. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button. It's easy to miss, but a crucial step so your preferences can be applied. That wraps up the process, and now the font size in your Gmail inbox should be set to your liking. You can return to your inbox to see how the new settings look. If you find that the font size still isn't right, don't worry. You can always return to the settings and adjust it again. While customizing settings, it can sometimes take a bit of trial and error to get it just right, but spending a little time on this can make your email management much more enjoyable and comfortable. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide on changing your Gmail inbox font size helpful. Make sure to check back for more tips on personalizing and improving your digital tools. If you have any questions or further customization topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, feel free to leave a comment. Happy emailing!